Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to take partial profit on Bybit. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Bybit application, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, what exactly is Bybit about? The Bybit is a popular crypto trading application that offers users a range of features to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Now the application is easy to use with a clean and modern design that makes it visually appealing. So now that we know what Bybit is about, let's hop into today's task, which is how to take partial profit on Bybit. Let's say you have, launched a position and you want to just take profit. Like you launched a position during your trading and you want to take partial profit. Here's exactly what you can do. Now from this home page, head over to the bottom corner of your screen. You're going to find a couple icons: home, market, derivatives. You're going to find trade, and also going to find assets. So go ahead and click on derivatives, and once you click on derivatives, I'm just going to click OK on that. So launch a position. Now you need to take your position. Now I say position, head over to order price and type in the order price that you want. Let's say 8,000, and the quantity, let's say 2,000. So that's 190 BTC per order, and 8,000 is the price. So you have that, and let's say you've traded and you've launched a position, but you know how to use the trading option. But then once you do all of that and you want to take partial profit, that you really need to know how to trade and launch a position in this application itself. All right, so once you've done that and you want to take partial profit, here's what you can do. From here, this middle corner of your screen, you're going to find this TP/SL, which represents take partial and stop loss. So go ahead and click on that. So once you click on this, now you want to take just partial profit, right? So head over to this tab where it says take profit trigger by ROI. Now you can take that for the entire position, which is right here, this entire position, or you can do that for the current order. All right, that's partial profit. The current order is the partial profit, not this entire position. So this current order is for the partial profit. Now in here where you have take profit trigger by ROI, you're gonna have to move the slider to select the percentage of the partial profit that you want to get. So let's say I move the slider to 10%, or I move it over here to, that's 59, and let's say 50. So this is what you're gonna get. 84, that's 8,400 is what you're gonna get. So read the on-screen prompt that says market take profit order will be triggered when market price reaches 8,400 USDT. So expected profit is this amount that you find there. All right, that's the 4,076,000 thereabout USDT ROI with 50%. So once it gets to this 8,400 USDT, it's going to be triggered and you are going to take your partial profit because you set it to 50%. So this is how it works. Now once you're done, go ahead and click on this confirm button, and once you click on this confirm button, that's going to be it. You will now be able to take a partial profit when it is set to 8,400, which is 50% of the trade. So that's pretty much it. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.